नेशन फर्स्ट की भावना से भरा होता है, राष्ट्र सर्वोपरि होता है, तो फौलादी फैसले जाता है।
ये नुकसान
How our air defense systems have thwarted the enemy drones, their fighter aircraft, their missiles. We achieved total surprise, and those strikes across those 9 terror hubs left more than 100 terrorists killed.
टेरर और टॉक एक साथ नहीं हो सकते।
India has a new doctrine against terrorism. In his first speech after Operation Sindoor, Prime Minister Narendra Modi declared this new approach, which rests on 3 key elements. A response on India's terms, no tolerance for terror that hides under nuclear blackmail, and no distinction between the terrorist and a government that sponsors them. The Prime Minister also declared that the strikes on terror hubs in Pakistan were not a one-time response, but a national policy against terrorism. He warned Pakistan to get rid of its terrorist infrastructure if it wants to be saved, before outlining 3 key pillars of India's security doctrine. Any terrorist attack on India will be met with a strong and resolute response. The Prime Minister said India had merely paused its operations against Pakistan and future action would depend on Pakistan's behavior. He warned Islamabad that terror and talks cannot coexist. Modi said India had destroyed 11 military sites and air bases and eliminated over 100 terrorists in strikes that shocked the Pakistan military. Prime Minister Modi said Pakistan contacted India in desperation after suffering heavy losses in the first 3 days of hostilities.
भारत के ड्रोन्स, भारत की मिसाइलों ने सटीकता के साथ हमला किया। पाकिस्तानी वायुसेना के उन एयरबेस को नुकसान पहुंचाया, जिस पर पाकिस्तान को बहुत घमंड था। भारत ने पहले 3 दिनों में ही पाकिस्तान को इतना तबाह कर दिया, जिसका उसे अंदाजा भी नहीं था।
Secondly, nuclear deterrence would no longer shield terrorism. Prime Minister Modi said India would not bow to nuclear blackmail and made it clear that the responsibility to prevent escalation now lies with Islamabad.
कोई भी न्यूक्लियर ब्लैकमेल भारत नहीं सहेगा।
The Prime Minister also delivered a stark message. If Pakistan wants to survive, it must demolish the terror infrastructure it has been feeding. He asserted that India will not differentiate terrorists and the government that supports them.
पहला, भारत पर आतंकी हमला हुआ तो मुंह तोड़ जवाब दिया जाएगा। दूसरा, कोई भी न्यूक्लियर ब्लैकमेल भारत नहीं सहेगा। तीसरा, हम आतंक की सरपरस्त सरकार और आतंक के आकाओं को अलग अलग नहीं देखेंगे।
With India suspending the Indus Waters Treaty after the Pahalgam attack, Modi declared that water and blood cannot flow together. And when it comes to diplomacy, he stated any future talks with Pakistan will be on terror and on Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, nothing else.
पाकिस्तान से बात होगी तो टेररिज्म पर ही होगी। अगर पाकिस्तान से बात होगी तो पाक ऑक्युपाइड कश्मीर पीओके उस पर ही होगी।